He's under pressure now, man. We'll see what happens. Man, that was great. Yeah.
That was wonderful.
Yeah.
There you go. He hits the tire. There we go.
Yeah, we'll get there. We'll get there. I don't know why he's doing that, but you know. Oh man, gotta keep that tire in view though. Okay, there we go. Yeah, locking it in for safety reasons. Okay, okay. Just a man in a shaft. That long, hard shaft. Hey, hey, focus, man. Don't look at me. Oh, I gotta get a close up of this, yo. Look at that shaft work. Oh. There it is. Step one complete. Never drop your shaft. And the tire is off. Good work, good work. Good job, bro. Alright. Now can he put it back on though? That's the real question. Oh, gotta get this. Get that. I prefer to spit on it myself, but you know, some people like to lube it up. It's all good. There we go. Got one side on. Can he get the other though? Over under. Always over under. And it's on. Ooh. Wasn't sure if he could do it. He's got this, man. Mechanic Daniel Gomez. Look at that beaner ass motherfucker. Stop smiling. There you go. And pop. Oh, he beat his best time with a 2:28. Good work. Look at the camera. No? No?
Camera shot.
Oh well. Good work, Danny.